Take command of the road in the 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a tonneau cover, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.